Have you ever felt like the world around you lost its color, and even the things you once loved don't spark joy anymore? You're not alone. Feeling like nothing is fun or enjoyable anymore is something many of us experience at some point in life, and it can be overwhelming. But the good news is that you can turn this around. In this video, I'll share simple yet powerful ways to help you rediscover joy and bring back excitement to your daily life. The first step to feeling good again is acknowledging that something feels off. We often try to push away negative feelings or convince ourselves that we're just overreacting. But the truth is, denying these feelings won't make them go away. It's okay to feel this way, and accepting your emotions without judgment is the beginning of healing. Instead of beating yourself up for not being as energetic or motivated, give yourself the space to process these feelings. It's completely normal to have highs and lows, and understanding that this phase will pass is crucial. When nothing feels fun, it's easy to neglect your well-being. You might find yourself ignoring simple self-care routines like eating well, exercising, or even sleeping enough. However, self-care is often the foundation of feeling good. You don't have to start big. Begin with small steps. Drink a glass of water, take a 10-minute walk, or treat yourself to a favorite snack. These little actions send a message to your brain that you're worth taking care of, and slowly but surely they start to lift your mood. Think back to the activities or hobbies that used to make you happy. Was it painting, reading, cooking, or maybe just watching a favorite show? Even if these things don't excite you as much right now, try reintroducing them into your life. Start small. Don't pressure yourself to enjoy it the way you used to, but give yourself the opportunity to reconnect. Sometimes it's the act of showing up and engaging with old passions that reignites the spark. And even if you don't immediately feel the same joy, consistency can slowly bring back positive feelings. We spend time with impacts how we feel. If you're feeling down and nothing seems enjoyable, it might help to surround yourself with people who uplift you. Reach out to friends or family members who inspire or make you laugh. Even if you don't feel like socializing at first, human connection is one of the best ways to start feeling good again. Engaging in positive conversations or activities with others can pull you out of your own thoughts and give you a fresh perspective on things. When life feels dull, it can sometimes be because we've fallen into a routine that no longer excites us. If you've been doing the same things over and over, it's natural to feel unmotivated. Challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone. Try a new hobby, visit a place you've never been, or learn something different. Stepping into the unknown can feel intimidating at first, but it's often where we rediscover excitement. Even something small, like taking a different route on your walk or trying a new recipe, can spark curiosity and bring back a sense of adventure. Gratitude can feel difficult when nothing feels enjoyable, but it's one of the most powerful tools for shifting your mindset. Start small. Try writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how simple they are. It could be as basic as having a warm bed, a supportive friend, or a good meal. By focusing on the things that are going right, even in tough times, you train your brain to see positivity. Over time, this practice can lift your mood and help you appreciate the small joys in life. If you find yourself constantly scrolling through social media or watching negative news, it might be contributing to how you're feeling. Our brains are like sponges. What we feed them impacts our mood. Consider taking a break from sources that make you feel worse. Limit your screen time or curate your feeds to follow positive, uplifting content. By reducing the negative noise around you, you make more room for positive energy and uplifting thoughts. When you're feeling low, it's easy to fall into self-criticism. You might tell yourself things like, "I should be feeling better," or "Why can't I just be happy?" These thoughts only add to the pressure and make things worse. Instead, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself the way you would treat a friend going through a tough time. Understand that healing and feeling good again is a process, and it's okay to take it slow. Give yourself permission to rest when needed, and remind yourself that it's okay to not always feel your best. If the feeling that nothing is enjoyable persists for an extended period, it's important to consider seeking help from a mental health professional. Sometimes, feelings of emptiness or lack of enjoyment can be a sign of deeper issues, like depression or burnout, and talking to a therapist can provide valuable insights and coping strategies. There's no shame in asking for help when you need it. In fact, reaching out is a sign of strength, not weakness. Finally, recognize that progress is progress, no matter how small. If you manage to get out of bed, take a shower, or even smile at something today, that's a win. Celebrate it. Healing isn't a straight line, and some days will be harder than others, But each small step forward is something to be proud of. The key is to keep going, no matter how slow it feels. Rediscovering joy doesn't happen overnight, but with patience and the right mindset, you can find your way back to feeling good again. Remember, this is just a phase, and you have the strength to come out on the other side. So take that first step, and trust that better days are ahead. Let us know in the comments what steps you're taking to feel better, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life.